Good day, everyone. I'm Prince AJ Principe, a BPED 1 student. Today, I will be discussing career and professional growth and how modern trends and technology are changing the way we work, grow, and prepare for our future careers. Careers now are very different compared to the past because of technology and globalization. New opportunities are being created, but at the same time, new challenges also arise, especially for young professionals who are just starting. Remote works refer to working outside the traditional office environment. Instead of going to a physical workplace, employees can work from home or anywhere as long as they have internet access and the right digital tools. Remote work became more popular during the COVID-19 pandemic when people were required to stay at home. Even after the pandemic, many companies continue this setup because it reduces costs and increased flexibility for both employees and employers. One major benefit of remote works is flexibility in time and location. Workers can manage their schedules, avoid long and stressful commutes, save money, and spend more quality time with their family and loved ones. However, remote works also has disadvantage. Some people feel isolated and less motivated without face-to-face interaction. It can also be difficult to separate works responsibilities from personal life when everything happens at home. To succeed in remote work, strong self-discipline is very important. You also need effective communication skill and the ability to use digital tools properly to stay productive, organized, and connected with your team. Soft skills are personal and social skills that affects how we interact with others. These skills are important because they help us communicate better, build a relationship, and work effectively in different environments. Example of soft skills includes communication, teamwork, leadership, adaptability, and problem solving. These skills are important because they help us handle challenges and collaborate with different kinds of people in the workplace. Technical skills, on their other hand, are specific abilities required for a particular job. These skills are usually learned through education, training, or actual experience in doing tasks related to your field. Example of technical skills include coding, graphic design, programming, video editing, and data analysis. These skills help us perform our responsibilities efficiently and meet the expectation of our choose careers. Both soft, both soft skills and technical skills are important for success. Technical skills may help you get hired, but soft skills help you grow, build strong connection, and succeed in your career in long run. Impos- Imposter syndrome is the feeling of doubting your abilities even when you are capable. People experiencing this often feel like they do not deserve their success and are afraid of being exposed as not good enough. This usually happens when entire new environment such as a new job or school. It can also be caused by pressure, high expectation, and constantly comparing yourself to others. To overcome imposter syndrome, it is important to believe in yourself and your abilities. Recognize your achievements, accept that learning takes time, and do not be afraid to ask for help or guidelines. In the digital era, starting a business is easier than ever before. With just a smartphone, internet connection, and creativity, anyone can create and manage their own business online. Example, selling products online, freelancing, and content creation. Many people today earn income through platforms like social media, online marketplace, and, and digital services. The gig economy is a system where people work on short-term or freelance jobs instead of permanent employment. Workers are paid for tasks or project depending on the work they complete. Gig work offers flexibility, independence, and multiple income opportunities. However, it is also has disadvantages such as unstable income, lack of job security, and limited benefits compared to regular employment. In conclusion, the future of work becoming more flexible, digital, and dynamic. To succeed, we must continue improving our skills, adapt to change, and stay open to opportunities in this modern and evolving workplace. Thank you.